The gas properties simulation is an interactive educational tool designed to help students explore and understand the fundamental principles of gas behavior. By providing a hands-on approach to investigating the properties of gases, the simulation offers a comprehensive learning experience that covers key concepts in chemistry and physics. The simulation allows students to pump gas molecules into a container, change the volume, add or remove heat, and observe the resulting effects. Additionally, students can explore the behavior of gases during compression and expansion, examine speed and kinetic energy distributions, compare heavy and light gases, and investigate the factors that affect the rate of diffusion. The gas properties simulation begins by allowing students to pump gas molecules into a container. By adding gas molecules to the container, students can observe how the pressure, volume, and temperature of the gas change. This interactive feature helps students understand the relationship between the number of gas molecules, pressure, volume, and temperature, as described by the ideal gas law. Students can also change the volume of the container and add or remove heat to observe the effects on the gas. By compressing or expanding the gas, students can see how the pressure and temperature change. Adding heat to the gas increases its temperature and pressure, while removing heat decreases its temperature and pressure. This interactive feature helps students understand the principles of gas laws, including Boyle's law, Charles's law, and Gay-Lussac's law. The simulation allows students to discover what happens when a gas is compressed or expanded. By changing the volume of the container, students can observe how the gas molecules behave during compression and expansion. Compressing the gas increases the pressure and temperature, while expanding the gas decreases the pressure and temperature. This feature helps students understand the relationship between volume, pressure, and temperature in gases. Students can also identify when PV work is done on or by a gas. PV work is the work done by a gas as it expands, or the work done on a gas as it is compressed. By observing the changes in pressure and volume, students can understand the concept of PV work and its significance in thermodynamics. The gas properties simulation allows students to examine the speed and kinetic energy distributions of gas molecules. By observing the motion of the gas molecules, students can see how the speed and kinetic energy of the molecules are distributed. The simulation provides a visual representation of the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, which describes the distribution of molecular speeds in a gas. This feature helps students understand the principles of molecular motion and the relationship between temperature and molecular speed. Students can also compare the behavior of heavy and light gases. By pumping different types of gas molecules into the container, students can observe how the mass of the molecules affects their speed and kinetic energy. Heavy gases have slower molecular speeds and lower kinetic energy compared to light gases at the same temperature. This comparison helps students understand the role of molecular mass in determining the properties of gases. The simulation enables students to explore how two gases mix. By adding two different types of gas molecules to the container, students can observe the mixing process and the resulting distribution of the molecules. This feature helps students understand the principles of gas mixing and the behavior of gas molecules in a mixture. Students can also experiment with the factors that affect the rate of diffusion. By observing the movement of gas molecules through a barrier or aperture, students can see how the rate of diffusion is influenced by factors such as temperature, pressure, and molecular mass. This interactive feature helps students understand the principles of diffusion and the factors that affect the rate of molecular motion. The simulation provides an interactive platform where students can actively engage with the concepts of gas behavior. By pumping gas molecules into a container, changing the volume, adding or removing heat, and observing the resulting effects, students can gain a deeper understanding of the principles governing gas behavior. The visual nature of the simulation makes abstract concepts more tangible. Students can observe the motion of gas molecules, the changes in pressure, volume, and temperature, and the distribution of molecular speeds and kinetic energy in real time, helping them to grasp complex ideas more easily. The simulation offers immediate feedback, allowing students to see the results of their adjustments instantly. This helps correct misunderstandings quickly and reinforces learning through trial and error. The simulation covers a wide range of topics related to gas properties, including the ideal gas law, gas laws, compression and expansion, PV work, speed and kinetic energy distributions, gas mixing, and diffusion. This comprehensive approach helps students gain a holistic understanding of the principles of gas behavior and their applications in various fields. The gas properties simulation is a valuable tool for teaching and learning about the fundamental principles of gas behavior. By providing an interactive, visual, and comprehensive platform, it helps students understand the behavior of gases under different conditions, the principles of gas compression and expansion, the distribution of molecular speeds and kinetic energy, the mixing of gases, and the factors affecting diffusion. Whether used in a classroom setting or for individual study, this simulation can significantly enhance the learning experience and build a strong foundation in chemistry and physics. Through exploration and experimentation, students can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and fascinating world of gas behavior and its applications in various scientific and engineering fields.